Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to convert a low-quality video to 1080p HD on mobile. First of all, click on Play Store. After clicking, Play Store will open in front of you. Once it's open, go to the search bar of Play Store and type Video Converter Compressor. After typing, a format will open. Install this app. Click on the Open button after installing the app. The app will start opening in front of you in a few seconds. Once it's open, go to the left side of your mobile screen. Here, you will see a button for Converter and Compressor. Click on it. A new format will open. In this format, choose the video. After choosing the video, go below and click on the next button. A new format will open where you can see the quality of your video is 720p. Click on it to convert it to 1080p. Then, go below and click on the Convert button. In this format, change the name of the file, then go below and click on Start. Converting will start. Once your video is converted, a format will open. Click on OK, then close that format. Again, close the format and click on Convert or Compressor. After clicking, you can see the converted video on the top. Click on it, then go below and click on Next. A new format will start opening in front of you. Once it's open, you can see the quality of your video is 1080p. That's the way to convert a low-quality video to 1080p HD on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.